क्लैट के टाइम पर जो एक दिक्कत आती है बहुत सारे बच्चों के बीच में, एंजाइटी और डिप्रेशन वाली, उसको कैसे फेस करना है और उससे कैसे इम्प्रूव करना है। ठीक है, जब हम किसी भी एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी करते हैं तो उसका बर्डन और द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ नॉट बीइंग एबल टू सिक्योर वेल hits different on our minds, which in some or the other way creates stress environment around us. तो उससे बचने के लिए क्या करना होगा? उस जोन से बाहर आना पड़ेगा। देखो, हम बात करते हैं कि क्लैट के जोन में आना बहुत ज़रूरी है टू अचीव सक्सेस इन दैट पेपर, पर उससे ब्रेक लेना भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है। तो मुझे लगता है कि you should be in a healthy environment with your friends, with your family. You should share your daily topics, daily goals, daily aims which you're aiming in a particular day. And even after sharing that particular thing, if you feel better कि हाँ मैंने कुछ बता दिया अपने घर वालों को, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, it will reduce your stress, make it for sure. Okay. Next, you should don't change your complete schedule which you be following. देखो, स्टार्टिंग से अगर आप लोग ट्राई कर रहे हो कि मेरी स्लीप साइकिल बढ़िया है या मुझे स्पोर्ट्स पसंद है, और अगर आप क्लैट के लिए सब कुछ छोड़ दोगे तो इट माइट क्रिएट अ नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन यू। तो जो अपनी पुरानी आदतें हैं उनको बिल्कुल बदलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उनको कुछ चेंज कर सकते हो। अपना टाइम मैनेज करना आपके हाथ में होता है, पर आपको एक हेल्दी बैलेंस बनाना पड़ेगा विच विल हेल्प यू इन योर क्लैट टू बी स्टेबल वाइल गिविंग मॉक्स, क्योंकि दिमाग शांत होगा तभी मॉक्स बढ़ेंगे। ओके।
Every competitive exam requires self-motivation. During my initial days of prep, my mock score was 40. It actually did rose, but it was very slow and unpredictable. Sometimes it increased, sometimes it was constant, or sometimes it decreased. In addition, you also need to attend lengthy marathons, lengthy revision sessions, practice sessions, many mocks a week. So there is a huge chance of you getting demotivated and burn out during this process. Since I was a 12th grader, I used to avoid this by spending a small amount of time with my friends. Sharing your problem with your mentors, your family, your peers can also keep you motivated. My friends in Super 30, my mentors, and my parents played a huge role during this process.
So I was preparing in Bhopal, away from my home. So after the classes and everything, I was packed in my small hostel room. So at times it used to get very demotivating, boring, monotonous and lonely. So I used to call my father. I used to speak to my elder siblings, cousins, my school friends, and tell them I'm feeling low, I'm feeling demotivated, and they would cheer me up. And I guess I was blessed to have people around me who were always available for me. And speaking with my father, family and elder siblings, especially, they made me feel light, and they used to cheer me up, motivating me. They used to show belief in me, everything. I guess that was the most important thing for me, that you know, something which kept that light burning in me. And other than that, if I have to be alone, I would listen to some music. In the evenings, I would go out for walks alone and then treat myself with an ice cream or something, or maybe order some good food. So that makes me happy.